eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He has loosed the fateful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. I have seen him in the watchfires of 100 circling camps. They have built him an altar in the evening dew and dance. I can read his righteous sentence by the dim and flaring lamps. His day is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. John Brown's body lies a mouldering in his grave. John Brown's body lies a mouldering in his grave. John Brown's body lies a mouldering in his grave, but his soul goes marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. He's gone to be a soldier in the army of the Lord. He is gone to be a soldier in the army of the Lord. He's gone to be a soldier in the army of the Lord. His soul is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. He captured Harpers Ferry with his 19 men so true. He frightened old Virginia till she trembled through and through. They hung him for a traitor, themselves the traitor crew. His soul is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. All quiet along the Potomac tonight. All quiet along the Potomac tonight, except here and there a stray picket is shot as he walks on his beat to and fro by a rifleman hid in the thicket. 'Tis nothing, a private or two now and then will not count in the news of the battle. Not an officer lost, only one of the men moaning out all along the death rattle. All quiet along the Potomac tonight. There's only the sound of the lone sentry's tread as he tramps from the rock to the fountain, and thinks of the two on the low trundle bed, far away in the cot on a mountain. His musket falls slack, his face dark and grim, grows gentle with memories tender, as he mutters a prayer for the children asleep and their mother. May heaven defend her. All quiet along the Potomac tonight. Hark, was it the night wind that rustles the leaf Was it the moonlight so wondrously flashing? It looked like a rifle, a merry goodbye, and his lifeblood is ebbing and splashing. All quiet along the Potomac tonight, no sound save the rush of the river, while soft falls the dew on the face of the dead. The pickets off duty forever. All quiet along the Potomac tonight. Hooray for the choice of the nation, our chieftain so brave and so true. We'll go for the great Reformation, for Lincoln and liberty too. We'll go for the son of Kentucky, the hero of Hoosierdom through. The pride of the suckers so lucky, for Lincoln and liberty too. They'll find what by felling and mauling our railmaker statements can be.